Welcome back to HowCar USA. Today we're diving into a powerful comeback that blends aggressive performance with modern luxury, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS. This is not just a sedan, it's a bold statement of speed, design, and next-generation engineering that brings the legendary SS badge back to life. Let's start from the front. The bonnet is long, muscular, and sharply sculpted, giving the car a powerful road presence. Strong character lines run across the hood, hinting at the performance hidden underneath. The front fascia features a wide and aggressive grille finished in gloss black with the iconic Chevy bowtie proudly placed at the center. The LED headlights are razor-sharp and futuristic, paired with sleek daytime running lights that give the Impala SS a modern and intimidating look. Integrated LED indicators add a clean and premium touch. Moving to the side profile, the Impala SS looks sleek, low, and aerodynamic. The body shape is designed to cut through air effortlessly, giving it both efficiency and performance. The black shiny exterior color enhances its aggressive styling, while subtle chrome accents add a premium feel. The side mirrors are finished in black, fully adjustable, heated, and include integrated turn signals. The wide stance and sporty wheels give it a planted and confident look on the road. At the rear, the design continues with bold styling. The LED taillights are slim, sharp, and connected with a stylish light bar, creating a signature look at night. The rear bumper features sporty detailing with dual exhaust outlets, enhancing its performance identity. A rear camera and parking sensors provide convenience and safety. Step inside, and the cabin offers a perfect mix of luxury and sportiness. The seats are wrapped in white luxury leather with black and white accents, giving the interior a premium and modern feel. These seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of legroom and headroom. The dashboard is finished in black and white leather with high-quality materials and a futuristic layout. A large curved digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, giving the driver all necessary information in one place. Ambient lighting enhances the interior atmosphere, especially at night. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice control, and wireless charging. It's fast, responsive, and designed for modern connectivity. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with a sporty flat-bottom design. It includes multifunction controls for audio, calls, cruise control, and driving modes. Paddle shifters are also included, allowing for a more engaging driving experience. The steering is precise, smooth, and responsive. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Impala SS is expected to feature a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine producing around 500 to 600 horsepower. This makes it a true performance sedan. Acceleration is impressive, with 0 to 100 km per hour achieved in around 4 seconds. The top speed is approximately 250 km per hour. The advanced transmission system ensures quick and smooth gear shifts. The suspension system is tuned for both comfort and performance, offering a balanced ride whether you're cruising or driving aggressively. The car also features rear-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive for better handling and control. Fuel efficiency is improved with modern engine technology, making it more practical for everyday use despite its high performance. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and advanced driver assistance systems. These features ensure a safe and confident driving experience. Lighting throughout the car is fully LED, including headlights, taillights, and interior ambient lighting, enhancing both visibility and luxury. American buyers will love features like remote start, keyless entry, premium Bose sound system, dual-zone climate control, large trunk space, and advanced driving modes that allow customization of performance settings. Finally, let's talk about price. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is expected to start at around $50,000 in the United States, with higher trims reaching up to $70,000 depending on features and performance upgrades. If you're looking for a car that combines muscle car performance, modern luxury, advanced technology, and everyday practicality, the Impala SS is one of the best options in its class. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to HowCar USA, and tell us in the comments, would you choose the new Impala SS over its competitors? See you in the next video.